Hello and welcome to this new course in which I will teach you how to interface and program Arduino without coding. In this course, we are going to use a free website that provides us with the tools necessary for doing this. First, I'll explain the interface and we'll simulate our first electronic circuit. Then, I'll teach you how to edit wire and add components together. From there, we'll move on to how to add and control Arduino without writing a single code, using only blocks. And next, you'll learn how to light a LED. After this, we will take on how to deal with multiple LEDs and breadboard using Arduino inside the simulation environment. After that, I'll teach you how to fade a LED with analog output, which means that we will cover both digital output and analog output interfacing with Arduino without programming. And I'll also teach you how to read digital input as well as reading analog values. Then we will cover the serial monitor, what is the serial monitor, how to use it, and why using it will make your programming with Arduino a way much easier, and how to use it to debug your program. Then we will take how to deal with RGB LEDs and how to read analog values from potentiometers, and we will finish up with a project in which we will use different items to make a fully functional project. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. Thanks for watching. See you inside.